वेलकम टू आवर चैनल यूनाइटेड कोचिंग। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चंस ऑन जनरल नॉलेज। Question is, which are the top civilian honors given in India? So answer is, the top civilian honors given in India are Bharat Ratna and Padma Awards. Now Padma Awards are further given in three categories, that is Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. Our next question is, what is the prize money for Bharat Ratna and Padma Awards? So on conferment of the award, the recipient receives a sanad or a certificate signed by the president and a medallion. Now these awards do not carry any prize money or any facility or benefit in terms of concession etc. in rail or air travel attached to these awards. So there is no prize money, but the winner gets a certificate and a medallion. Our next question is, when were Bharat Ratna and Padma Awards instituted in India? So answer is 2nd January 1954. Now the government of India instituted two civilian awards, Bharat Ratna and Padma Vibhushan, in 1954. Next year on 15th January 1955, the Padma Vibhushan were reclassified into three different awards, that is Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. Our next question is, what are the categories of Padma Awards? So as we discussed earlier, Padma Awards are categorized into three types, that is Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. Now Padma Vibhushan is awarded for exceptional and distinguished service, Padma Bhushan for distinguished service of high order and Padma Shri for distinguished service in any field. Our next question is, when are the Padma Awards given? Now the Padma Awards are announced annually on the eve of the Republic Day, and the awards are presented by the President of India in an award presentation ceremony held at Rashtrapati Bhavan. The ceremony is generally held in the month of March or April, and the names of the awardees are announced and registered in the Gazette of India. Our next question is, which is the highest civilian award in India? So answer is Bharat Ratna. Now Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of our country. It is awarded in the recognition of exceptional service, performance of the highest order in any field of human endeavor. Our next question is, which is the highest civilian award in the world? So answer is Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize is the most coveted and prestigious international award for intellectual achievement in the world. This prestigious award is available in various fields like medicine, physics, literature, peace, economics, chemistry, etc. Our next question is, which is the second highest civilian award in India? So answer is Padma Vibhushan. That is after Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan is the second highest civilian award in India. Our next question is, who gives Padma Awards? So the recommendations for Padma Awards are received from the state governments, union territory administrations, central ministries, institutions of excellence, etc. to the Padma Awards committee. This committee is headed by the cabinet secretary and includes home secretary and secretary to the president and 4 to 6 eminent persons as members. Now, after approval, Padma Awards are announced on the eve of the Republic Day. Our next question is, who gives Bharat Ratna Award? Now there is no formal nomination process, but recommendations for Bharat Ratna Award can only be made by the Prime Minister to the President, and maximum number of only 3 nominees can be awarded per year. Our next question is, which year exceptionally saw Bharat Ratna being awarded to 4 individuals? Now Bharat Ratna is given to only 3 individuals, but in the year 1999 4 individuals were awarded the honor. Our next question is, how many Padma Awards are given every year? So the answer is, the total number of Padma Awards to be given in a year, excluding posthumous awards and to the foreigners, it should not be more than 120. Our next question is, who were the first recipients of Bharat Ratna? So the first recipients of Bharat Ratna were C. Rajgopalachari, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and Sir C.V. Raman. Now C. Rajgopalachari, that is Chakravarti Rajgopalachari, were then Governor General of India. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan were the second president and the first vice president of India, and after him we observe a Teachers' Day on 5th September. And Sir C.V. Raman, that is Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman, were the Nobel laureate physicist, and all 3 of them were honored with Bharat Ratna Award in 1954. Our next question is, how many personalities have got the Bharat Ratna till 2019? So answer is 48. As of 2019, Bharat Ratna has been conferred upon a total of 48 eminent personalities. Our next question is, who have been awarded Bharat Ratna in 2019? So the Bharat Ratna awardees in year 2019 are Dr. Pranab Mukherjee, who is the 13th President of India, and Bhupen Hazarika, who is awarded posthumously, and he was the playback singer and musician from Assam, and Nanaji Deshmukh, also known as Chandika Das Amrit Rao Deshmukh, and he is also awarded posthumously, and he was a social reformer and a politician who worked in the field of education and health. Our next question is, which presidents of India have been awarded Bharat Ratna before Dr. Pranab Mukherjee? So the presidents who have been conferred Bharat Ratna earlier are Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who were the first president of Republic India. Next is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who were the second president and first vice president of India. Then was Dr. Zakir Hussain, who were the third president of India, and then Dr. V.V. Giri, who were the fourth president of India, and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who were the 11th president of India. Our next question is, which Indian state has the maximum number of Bharat Ratna awardees? So answer is Maharashtra. Maharashtra has been the recipient of largest number of Bharat Ratna awards. As of 2019, 8 people from Maharashtra have been awarded Bharat Ratna award. Our next question is, who is the youngest Bharat Ratna awardee? So answer is Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar, as we all know, a former Indian cricketer, is the first sports person and the youngest person to receive a Bharat Ratna award, and he received this award at the age of 40, and he received the award in the year 2013. Our next question is, who is the oldest person in age to receive Bharat Ratna award? So answer is Guzarilal Nanda, and he is the eldest alive person to receive the award at the age of 99. Our next question is, who was the first musician to receive Bharat Ratna? So answer is M.S. Subbulakshmi, and she received the award in the year 1998. Our next question is, which musicians have received Bharat Ratna awards? So answer is Pandit Ravi Shankar, Lata Mangeshkar, Ustad Bismillah Khan, Pandit Bhimsen Gururaj Joshi, and Bhupen Hazarika, who has been given award posthumously. Our next question is, which non-Indians have received Bharat Ratna? So only 2 non-Indians have received Bharat Ratna. First is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan of Pakistan in 1987. Second is the South African president Nelson Mandela in 1990. Mother Teresa, who was not a citizen by birth but was naturalized Indian citizen. So she, as a naturalized citizen, she received the Bharat Ratna in 1980. Now Nelson Mandela and Mother Teresa also received Nobel Prize. Nelson Mandela received Nobel Prize in 1993, and Mother Teresa received Nobel Prize in the previous year, 1979. Our next question is, who was the first person to receive Bharat Ratna award posthumously? So answer is Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri. He received the award posthumously. Our next question is, who is the first Indian to win the Oscar? So answer is Bhanu Athaiya. Bhanu Athaiya became the first Indian to win the Academy Award, or also known as Oscar Award, in the year 1983 for designing the costumes for Richard Attenborough's movie Gandhi. Our next question is, who has rejected the Nobel Prize? So 2 Nobel laureates declined the prize. One is Jean-Paul Sartre, was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1964, and he declined the prize. Previously as well, he has constantly declined all the official honors. And second is Le Duc Tho, and he was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1973 for negotiating the Vietnam Peace Accord, and he declined the prize because of the political and civilian unrest in Vietnam at the time. Our next question is, who has refused Bharat Ratna? So answer is Bhupen Hazarika's family. Bhupen Hazarika was a singer and musician from Assam. He was posthumously conferred the Bharat Ratna award for the year 2019, but his family refused to accept the award as a form of protest against the Citizen Amendment Bill. Our next question is Bharat Ratna was once withdrawn for which personality? So answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Now he was awarded the Bharat Ratna posthumously in 1992, but due to the controversy surrounding his death, his family refused to accept the award as posthumous winner. This is the only incident in the history of Bharat Ratna award that it was withdrawn. Our next question is who was the first woman recipient of Bharat Ratna? So answer is Indira Gandhi, who was the first and has been the only female Prime Minister of India so far who has been conferred Bharat Ratna, and she was given this award in the year 1972. Our next question is how many women have won the Bharat Ratna award till date? So answer is 5. So and the names are MS Subbulakshmi, Indira Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Aruna Asif Ali and Lata Mangeshkar. Our next question is when were Bharat Ratna and Padma awards suspended? So Bharat Ratna and Padma awards were briefly suspended twice in the history, and the dates are July 1977 to January 1980 and from August 1992 to December 1995. On 15 December 1995, the Special Division Bench restored the awards, and since then they have been continued till date. Our next question is who are not eligible for Padma awards? So answer is government servants including those working with PSUs, that is public sector undertakings, except doctors and scientists are not eligible for the Padma awards. Our next question is who are not eligible for Bharat Ratna awards? So answer is there is no exception for Bharat Ratna awards. Any person is eligible for Bharat Ratna awards. There is no exception or distinction for the race, occupation, position or gender for Bharat Ratna awards. Our next question is where are the award medals made? So the Bharat Ratna, Padma awards and the wartime gallantry awards like Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and Veer Chakra are produced or made at the Alipur Mint in Kolkata.